Are you a business owner wondering where to invest your money for maximum growth and security? In this video, we'll uncover the best investment companies in the US, tailored for entrepreneurs like you. Stick around because these choices could transform your financial future. Let's start with a crucial point. Why does selecting the right investment company matter? Well, as a business owner, your investment needs are different. You're not just thinking about personal wealth, you're also considering business expansion, retirement planning, and even securing a financial legacy. The right investment firm doesn't just grow your money, it partners with you to navigate risks, maximize returns, and align with your goals. From personalized financial planning to cutting-edge technology, these companies have what it takes to help you succeed. Ready? Let's dive in. Top investment companies. Deep dive. First up, we have JP Morgan. If you're looking for a powerhouse in global finance, JP Morgan is unmatched. They specialize in personalized financial strategies, offering everything from traditional stocks and bonds to innovative solutions. Their global reach means they can adapt to market trends anywhere, ensuring your investments stay competitive. Next is Vanguard, a favorite among long-term investors. Vanguard is renowned for its low-cost index funds, which allow you to keep more of your returns. For business owners, this means your hard-earned money works harder for you. Whether you're planning for retirement or growing your portfolio, Vanguard's focus on cost efficiency and sustainability makes it an excellent choice. Another name to know is Charles Schwab. Schwab stands out with its easy-to-use platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, they provide all the tools you need to make informed decisions. Plus, their range of ETFs, stocks, and mutual funds gives you plenty of options to diversify your portfolio. For those who want cutting-edge strategies, BlackRock is a top contender. BlackRock leads the industry in ETFs, providing diverse options to meet every investment goal. They use advanced technology and analytics to craft innovative strategies, ensuring you stay ahead of the market. Then there's Fidelity, which goes beyond investments with comprehensive retirement planning. They offer everything from 401ks to IRAs, perfect for business owners preparing for the future. But what makes Fidelity truly special is their focus on education. They empower you with resources to make smarter financial decisions, whether you're new to investing or a seasoned pro. Now, if you value a personalized approach, Edward Jones could be your go-to. Their financial advisors take the time to understand your unique situation, tailoring strategies to your specific goals. Whether you're planning for retirement, saving for your kids' education, or expanding your business, Edward Jones provides guidance every step of the way. For educators and nonprofit professionals, TIAA has been a trusted name for over a century. They specialize in retirement planning for this unique group, offering customized solutions that ensure long-term financial security. If you're in this sector, TIAA is a partner you can rely on. Finally, let's talk about Wealthfront, one of the leading robo-advisors in the market. This platform is perfect for business owners with tight schedules. Wealthfront uses sophisticated algorithms to build and manage your portfolio automatically. It's cost-effective, efficient, and ideal for those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Now let me tell you the best investment tips for business owners. Now that you've seen the top companies, let's talk strategy. Here are 5 tips to make the most of your investments. First, diversify. Spreading your investments across different asset types reduces risk and increases stability. Second, focus on long-term growth. Don't get distracted by short-term market fluctuations. Think about where you want to be in 10, 20, or even 30 years. Third, consider tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks to reduce your taxable income and grow your wealth faster. Fourth, minimize fees. Companies like Vanguard and Wealthfront are great for keeping costs low, which means more money stays in your pocket. Finally, stay informed. Use resources like Fidelity's educational tools to continuously learn and refine your strategy. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to making smarter investment choices. There you have it, the best investment companies for business owners and some tips to grow your wealth. Remember, the key is finding a company and strategy that align with your goals. So, which company caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on investing and business success. Thanks for watching, and here's to building a brighter financial future. Outro music plus subscribe button animation.